letters. It's very hard for somebody from Spain, but people sometimes realise it is too many letters in the sign. They called somebody to make a new sign, and he was writing away, and he got to the middle of the word, and he heard a noise from the cellar.
Has vist Història about the noise? Com si fossin tontos o alguna cosa.
When he heard the noise, he was down his ladder. He was really frightened of the noise. And I said, please come back and finish our sign, please. So he came back and he forgot. Really, it should be Marlborough. But what he wrote was Marlbororough. He did another O-R. 2 more O-Rs. And so people in Chester said, no, it is not right, you've spelt it wrong, come and do it again. So they did it correctly, Marlborough Arms. But then everybody in Chester had heard about the story, it was in the newspapers, and they said, oh, we like it. We like the way it is spelt wrong. Don't change it, keep it. So now everybody passes here and they know why the sign